how to fix Steam purchase has not been completed due to credit card information has been declined. So if you want to fix Steam purchase has not been completed due to credit card information has been declined, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So if you're getting that error whenever you try to buy something in Steam, whether on the Steam mobile app or even on the Steam PC version, you can just head back and fix this problem. First, you'll need to check your ID, your Steam ID. Or if you're using your iOS device, you need to check your Apple ID. Make sure that your Steam account login credentials are correct. And the next thing you need to make sure is that your payment methods are up to date. Other than that, you can also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN services. So if you have any VPN, just go and turn it off. Once you turn off the VPN, your problem might be fixed. Make sure that you're not using any proxies. After checking all of that, make sure that your device is up to date as well. You can go over to your settings, go with About Phone, and then select your version and make sure that you have any updates. Make sure that your software is up to date. You can also check for updates, and if you have any updates, update your software. After doing all of that, you can head back and check your credit card information. You may be facing this error due to your credit card not having proper balance or your credit card being frozen or something like that. So make sure to check with your credit card company. After doing that, what you'll need to do is make sure that your region is correct. You can open up your Steam and check your region, or you can also just go with your settings on your phone and search for region. Tap on the region and make sure that you have selected the correct region. Make sure that you have selected the correct time zone as well. After doing all of that, your problem should be fixed. Other than that, all you can do is just wait for a few hours and try again. And that's basically it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.